Disassembly instructions. Unplugging the Amalgatome MD from the electrical outlet. Turn power switch into the off position. Unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet. Unplug the handpiece power cord from the power supply. Place the protective cap onto the connector. Blade removal. Before removing the disposable blade, set the depth gauge to the closed position as shown. Turn the device lever side down. Loosen all 3 captive screws using the screwdriver provided. Note: the 3 captive screws should remain in the blade locking ring at all times. Remove the disposable blade by turning the device over and let the blade fall out of the device. When handling the blade, it is best practice to always hold it on the outside edge. Discard the blade in a puncture-resistant biohazard sharps container. Disassembly of the head from the handpiece. Turn the device lever side down. Turn the locking knob to loosen and remove the housing from the handpiece. Do not disassemble the depth gauge assembly. The head assembly, excluding the blade locking ring, has been validated for sterilization and will require factory recalibration if disassembled. Remove the locking knob using the pin driver provided to unscrew the locking nut. Note: this is a left-handed thread.